Welcome guys in this new lecture of image processing using OpenCV and Python. In the previous lecture we saw how to install OpenCV, how to read an image. This is the code we saw in previous lecture. We saw how to use IAMShow, what is the function of wait key. Today what we will do, we will use another image and see what is the output of that image. So let me use the image of Groot which is already present in my folder, and we'll run it using control F5. Let's see the output. So you can see this image is so huge, so big that even it is not fit on the screen correctly. And in daily life we encounter such images. In this case comes the concept of rescaling or resizing our image. So let's create one Python file, new file in the same folder. Let's rename it rescaling.py. Okay, and what we'll do, we'll copy our code from reading.py and we'll paste it here. Let me select it. Okay, control C, and then I'll paste it in rescaling.py. Control V, yellow line. Okay, let me import CV2 also. So you saw the image of Groot and you understand what is the need of resizing or rescaling the image. So today what we'll do, I'll show you three different ways to rescale, and rescaling is a big topic. We'll cover it in coming lecture also. So CV2 provide us with a function called resize, and resize comes with different parameters you can see here. First one is written as SRC. SRC is nothing but the source image or the input image. Then we have dsize, dst, fx, fy, interpolation. So I'll give you a brief idea about everything. If you scroll down here, you can see all the parameters written here, what are their meanings. So basically SRC is the source image, that is the input image. In our case it is IM, the variable IM. Then we have dimension size. I am starting it with 0, 0. This is basically the width and height. Then we have fx and fy. I am giving it fx equal to 0.1 and fy equal to 0.1. This is nothing but this is the aspect ratio. So we want the aspect ratio of the original image to be intact here, so I am giving this parameter. You can ignore it also, that is optional part if you don't want to keep the aspect ratio. Then we have another method, that is I am writing here again source, and then I am giving the dimensions here as this, uh, and now I am not passing anything. So these two are different methods of image resizing. One will give you half of the original image, another one will give you output image which is higher than the original image. The third one I am using here, this is what we are going to display today, that is we are using interpolation technique. So again I am writing the source, then I am giving the dimensions of the output image. Then what I'll do, I will again give the interpolation. Now what is interpolation? Interpolation is the finding of values, unknown values between two known values. Suppose you know two pixels, two image pixels are known, and what is the value of pixel in between the two known pixels? For that we use interpolation technique. So there are many different interpolation techniques. Today what we are going to use is inter dot linear nearest, inter dot nearest. So what is this will do? This is a bilinear transformation technique, and it will give me the nearest neighbors pixels values. So this is one method. If you want to maintain the image zoom, if you want to zoom the image, if you want to see the larger image, then we use nearest interpolation technique. And then what we will do, we will just plot it and see the output. So this is very simple resizing technique. There are three techniques we have used here. One is written in the variable h, another one is written in w, Third one is written is resized image, and today we are going to see the output of resized image only. You can comment another two and you can see the output of H and W also. So this is the output image of our original image. This is how we have rescaled our original image, which was very large. So you can also comment resized image and W and see the output of H, and you can comment H and resized image and see the output of W. So this is how we do the rescaling. Thank you for watching this lecture. Keep commenting, keep practicing. We'll meet you in next lecture.